video we will learn how you can apply the filter in Microsoft Excel. For this you can select all by control select all by using control A or by this no whole table is selected. Now we want to remove the spaces in this table. For this we can go to filter option, and here the filter is applied in this sheet, so we can click on this, and in this we want to remove the blanks. For this we first select all, unselect them all, and then we simply select blanks, and then we can click OK. Now blanks are selected. Now we will delete them. Again we can go to sort and filter. Again filter, select all blanks, then click OK, and here only blanks are selected, and then we can select them and click to delete. OK, then we can select this row, then same to here, the rows are selected, and then delete row. In this way the rows are deleted. So in this way you can delete any row or apply the filter in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching this video.